In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your crankshaft position sensor on your Hyundai Accent 1.6 liter. It's located under the vehicle on your engine. All right, we're going to disconnect our connector by pushing in on the tab and pulling up. Set it off to the side. All right, so we're going to release our harness from this metal bracket using a trim tool. After you release that from the bracket, we gotta slide the connector off of the other bracket. So in order to get this connector off the metal bracket, we need to be able to get to it. So I'm gonna release this harness below it so I can get underneath it. All right, so this is being kind of a pain, so I'm just gonna cut mine and I'm gonna replace it later. Sometimes the plastic fasteners get a little messed up with time. All right, so now we can find our way up and release that by using a flathead screwdriver and inserting it between the plastic and the metal bracket. And push, and it should come off like that. Using a 10mm socket, we're gonna take out our bolt. Okay, now that we've taken that out, we're going to try to free up our crank sensor. Okay, so I sprayed some rust penetrant on our sensor because it was not moving at all, and I used my pry bar to go up and down with it. Best to get it to go up and down first before you try prying it out, because you have to unstick it. So once you get it to move up and down, you'll be able to get it out a little easier. There's a little O-ring in there that you gotta free up. Is the reason. Definitely don't want to force it much. Gonna have to use some patience. Once you go up and down a few times, you can try sliding a screwdriver or a pry bar in between where the bolt goes and try to get it to come out. If it doesn't feel like it's gonna come out, don't force it because you don't want to break it off. Okay, so I'm twisting my screwdriver a little bit, try to get it out. It's a good sign when you start seeing it do that. You may get some oil drippage. So you're going to want to clean the surface before installing your new crankshaft sensor. Make sure it's free of debris and excessive rust. All right, so we're just going to put some oil on that O-ring. And we're going to go up and put it in the hole. Apply pressure and try to get it to seat itself in. Once you get the sensor in, you can then hand thread your bolt in. We're going to snug it up, and then we'll torque it to 80 inch-pounds. Once we've torqued that, we can then move the harness up to where it lives. So you're going to feed your harness up under the other harness. Plug that grommet into the bracket. And then this one's going to slide onto this middle piece. And now we can plug in the sensor. Make sure you hear it click. And then we replaced our zip tie here because the original one was pretty beat up and wasn't coming out, so we had to cut it off. So now we replaced it with this one. So I pressed it in and just tighten it up. I'm going to cut the excess off. Okay, so now that we have everything attached and our harnesses are in where they belong and everything's plugged in, you can start it up and take it for a test drive.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.